afternoon, Amit went to the park with his red kite. He ran and laughing, the kite soaring in the sky with its tail dancing in the sky. The gust of wind, the gust of wind came and came. Amit's hand kite was slipped from Amit's hand and flew away, get stuck in a tall tree. Amit tried with a ladder, but a ladder wasn't enough tall. A man walked by, saw him. The man fetched an extension pole. He it reachedly get up and feed Amit's kite from the tree. Amit was overjoyed. Amit was overjoyed. Amit was overjoyed and ran. Amit was overjoyed and thanked the man and ran back home with dancing in the sky kite again. Moral message: sometimes we need help. It's good to ask. Good to ask. It's kind to help others.